Alright. So, this is the job that I finished this front part of this siding. The windows, the door, ran all the siding, ran the soffit here, and I had removed the soffit to give them ample ventilation of the old soffit, but the rest of this apparently had not been torn down by the previous knucklehead. So, or this end. He didn't do this end either, which was already covered. So I had to take all this soffit down, take the metal out that was existing, and put all the soffit back up. And then the homeowner wanted most all of the seams caulked. I told her that they kind of need to float for expansion and contraction, but she didn't care. She wanted everything caulked. Didn't want bugs getting in. Although bugs get in anyway. Here was already de-soffited. Down here also dog's in the house yelling at me. Let's see. Put that gutter on, the left downspout on the room. Did all this soffit was all, that's what you saw the majority of the video. That was not done, and caulked everything all over the place. But that's what she wanted, so that's what she got. I've gone way deeper on a Friday night than I cared to, so I'm getting out of here. Catch y'all on the flip side. The other guy did not take the old soffit out because he couldn't get to it. It was nailed on the top of the wood freeze board. So I had to cut it out with the grinder. That's probably why he just left it. He didn't want to mess with it. Also probably why he quit.